how do you create a fancy, pretty looking YouTube thumbnail? So if you are playing on YouTube, if you're creating videos, there is really two keys to success of your video. Number one is your title. You have to have a catchy title. More on that maybe in the future videos. And number two is you need to have a thumbnail. Okay, so this is the picture that's going to grab the attention, because let me ask you a question. Why do you generally watch certain videos over the others? It's simply because of a picture. If a picture gets you curious, if it's something that is thought-provoking, if it's something that makes you go like crazy and crazy curious in a good way, then you know that the YouTube creator, the person who actually created that video, is doing a really good job. Alright, so my name is Jelena from JelenaOstrovska.com. And I help entrepreneurs automate their business so that they can create unlimited influence, impact, and freedom online. And in this video, I'll show you a tutorial on how you can create a custom YouTube thumbnail without using Photoshop, without using any complicated tools or services, or without breaking your bank, because sometimes people think that they need to hire like graphic designers and editors and spend a whole bunch of money on that. Although that is true, you can outsource that. In fact, I do recommend for you to outsource that eventually, but if you are not at a point where you're ready to do this, then I'll show you the tool that will allow you to create images pretty easily. So let me jump over to the screen and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so right now I am on Canva.com, which is the tool that I'm going to be showing you how to create thumbnails with for YouTube. So there are two different plans that you can use. You can either start off with a free one like I did, or you can also upgrade and get more features from Canva by paying, I believe it's $12.95, which is what I'm using right now. And it just gives you more options, it gives you more customization, and I mean, if it's not in your budget right now, you can still use the free one, because honestly, in the beginning, it's plenty. So, like I said, it is a really simple tool, and this is what we're going to be playing with today. I'll create a thumbnail from scratch. Alright, so one of the questions that I get every single time before, when it comes to graphics is, Jelena, how do you create which size do you use, right? So sometimes I have to Google, sometimes I just rely on Canva, and here's what we're gonna go with. So obviously we need a YouTube thumbnail, right? So it gives us two options once you type in YouTube, YouTube channel art, which is actually, I created mine with Canva, or YouTube thumbnail. So this is what we're going to go with right now, and I already have one pulled up right here. So here's the good thing. If you're not one of the super creative people, which is totally okay, sometimes we just don't have that creativity flowing, and we just need a little bit of inspiration. So Canva got you covered pretty much. So here's what you're going to see once you head on over to templates. Alright, so you're going to see a whole bunch of different niches, you can see all results, you can, select a niche, you can even search for different templates. So let's just assume that you are a travel YouTube account, okay? So you can go over here, and it's going to show you a whole bunch of different options. You can customize them as much as you want. You can see what's going to fit well with your brand, and, this one looks pretty good actually. So that's when it comes to templates. So I already have some ideas that I'm going to go with, and I'll show you how to do those. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a picture that I have already uploaded. So it is right here. So just a picture of myself, and if you are a personal brand, a lot of the times it's better to use your face, because for brand recognition and for brand awareness, and so people recognize your face. So here's what you do. So I upload the picture, then I want to make sure that it fits the screen, right? So although like my face kind of looks pretty big, but it's okay. And I think you can even use the filters right here, so you can choose and kind of see what's going to happen with this one. So if you feel anything right now, right? So I'll just stick to that, and then sometimes things disappear, which is totally fine. So and then generally, what do you really need on YouTube? So you need to have some text, right? So I already have 3 fonts uploaded that are my brand fonts. This is actually the benefit of using the paid version of Canva for Work, is you can upload your own fonts. But I will say that Canva has a whole bunch of different fonts that you can use right now. So it's not like you really need this unless you are really, particular about your own fonts. Then, obviously if I put the text right here, it's probably not really going to pop, right? So I'm going to go ahead and choose one of the elements. All right, and I'm going to try to go with, there's a whole bunch of different things that you can use. I like sometimes to keep things simple, so I can just go ahead and choose a square. And I'm gonna go with this one. All right, and you can adjust the size and everything, right? So I can add something here. Then I can change the color of this, so I can either make it black, and then I'm going to choose a title. So let's say I'm gonna choose this font. I'm gonna make it bigger. So that's the thing with YouTube. You want to make sure that things really pop. So sometimes the bigger the text, the better. All right. So I'll just write how to create, and we're gonna change the colors. So I already have my colors uploaded. All right. So we're going to change this just a little bit. So how to create, then you can center everything if you're like one of the perfectionists. Then you can copy this, all right, how to create, and then I can copy this text again, how to create custom. All right, so let me move this around a little bit, and I can even make it smaller if I want to. Then I can put this text right here, center it all. It doesn't look as nice right now, I will be honest, because we're making this like super quick for a tutorial. And then I'm gonna make this a little bit longer, and I'm going to choose this and move this around. YouTube thumbnails. And then I'm gonna move this around, and then it's pretty much, if you want to add your logos, I mean, you can do that. So there is, a lot of customization right here. So, but that's how you basically create it. It's really all up to your creativity. Like right now, we're just doing a tutorial, so obviously I'm not being like my most creative self, but that's basically the end result. Then all you do is you go ahead and download it in any file type, and you are ready to go. So that's how you get it done in Canva. Alright, I really hope you found this tutorial super helpful. So let me know down below into the comments if this really clarifies how to create custom YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos so they can grab the attention of your audience. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know into the comments. Let me know what other tutorials you want to see on my channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos, and turn on the notifications. Just hit that ring bell sign on my channel so you can get notified whenever I publish new videos, which is every single week on Monday and Thursday. And if you want more videos and trainings just like this, head on over to my website at JelenaOstrovska.com, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.